This is the new iPad. Once you receive your iPad, there are a few things you need to set up. This iPad comes with a keyboard and a kickstand at the back. In addition, the charging port is located on the left side of the bottom of the iPad. The first thing you need to do is install Notability. You'll want to find the App Store on your iPad. Once you open the App Store, you'll need to look for the Notability app. Once we set up Notability, we'll have to install a backup to Google Drive so you don't lose any of your files in case something happens. Once you find Notability, click on it and press the install button and press OK once it asks you to install it. Once you have Notability, you'll need to set up your backup for Google Drive. Open the Notability app. Once you finally get to the main screen of Notability, you'll want to click on Settings. You go to Auto Backup and press on Google Drive. Once you arrive at the Google Drive screen, input your email. It'll ask you for your password, and once you input your password, press Next. Once you press Allow, your Google Drive should be set up as a backup to your Notability files. The next thing you need to do is set up your mail. Once you click on the Mail app, you will click on Google, and then you will input your email, press Next, and then it'll ask you for your password. After putting in your password, press Next again. After it loads, your Gmail should be set up on your iPad. The last thing you need to do on your new iPad is to set a password. So go to Settings, and in your Touch ID and passcode, you will create a 4-digit numeric code for your iPad. Once you put it in once, it'll ask you to verify your code and put it in again. And now your iPad is set up for the school year.